Friends, in this video, I'm going to explain in detail the significant profits and occasional dips Bitcoin, BTC, has experienced over the last 3 months of the year. I will also discuss when to buy and sell Bitcoin to maximise your gains. Let's look at the situation on June 18th, 2026. You can see that the price of Bitcoin has dropped compared to the previous few months, with the price on that day standing at approximately $62,957. This gives you an idea of the significant decline that occurred. Exactly 30 days after June 18th, another major shift was observed. This time, instead of a drop, there was a slight increase of a few dollars. In the following month, specifically on July 18th, 2026, the price of Bitcoin rose again, reaching approximately $63,900. This benefited those who did not sell their Bitcoin despite the dip observed earlier that month. It goes to show that while market drops do occur, the subsequent gains can outweigh them. You simply need to wait for the right moment. The month after that also yielded good returns, as the Bitcoin price was more than $2,000 higher compared to the previous 2 months. By the third month, specifically today, August 18th, 2026, the price of this Bitcoin rose to $64,631, which is a significant increase compared to previous months. Once again, those who held onto their assets, or even bought more, instead of selling, benefited the most. What do you think is the right approach? Selling when a cryptocurrency's price drops, buying more, or waiting for the right moment? Share your thoughts in the comments section of this video and subscribe to the Deep Can Classes YouTube channel now to watch more crypto related videos. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching,